Hey guys, this is Nick G from Dirt King Fabrication. We're really excited to introduce this new product. This is going to be an alignment cam kit for the 2004 to 2020 F-150s and Raptors. It's going to come with the alignment plate as well as the alignment cam. The alignment plate's going to have a pin on the backside that's going to lock into the factory hole on the frame and allow for adjustment. You can see this side is as delivered from factory. This side has our cam kit installed. It's easy installation, and then it allows you to adjust the alignment, both negative and positive. Now that we have this side installed, we'll walk over to the passenger side and show you guys how to do the installation. Now that the cams are installed, we can take the truck for a professional alignment. For heavy off-road use, you will want to weld on the cam plate to the frame. You would want to drop down the lower control arm, and you could weld the cam plate on both sides to the frame to help keep the cam plate in place. For more information on this product or any others, check out our website at dirtkingfabrication.com and check out our Instagram at DirtKing.